How to align the taskbar in Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 centers the Start menu and taskbar items on the taskbar. If you prefer to align your taskbar items to the left, as in older versions of Windows, it's an easy adjustment. To begin, right-click the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. The Settings window opens on the Personalization taskbar page. Scroll down to the Taskbar Behaviors option. Click to expand the behavior settings. Click the Taskbar Alignment drop-down menu. By default, Center is selected. You can choose to align the taskbar to the left. Once the left alignment option is selected, the taskbar icons will move to the left of the screen. You can revert to the default view anytime by returning to the Taskbar Behavior menu and selecting Center.